Hello and welcome to another trade recap. Today is the 4th of March, it's Tuesday. And yeah, we had no news today, which is great. We love a no news day. It means we can trade freely and not have to worry about news impacting price. But yeah, for tomorrow we do have Trump speaking at 2 a.m. This is UK time. It's not current. It's not for 3:39 p.m. I just haven't refreshed the page. But yeah, we have Trump speaking at 2 a.m. We have non-farm employment, so I won't be trading tomorrow. However, for today, I did take a trade, and we'll get right into it. It was a really successful day, but there were still things I could have improved on. Not many things I will say. This trade was pretty much perfect when it comes to trading. However, there are always things that you can improve on, and we'll be going into those. So this white line represents when I started looking at the day. I started looking at around 10 a.m. and there wasn't much. The daily bias will go on the 4 hourly. The daily bias was long. We had this section here followed by higher highs, and yeah, the 4 hourly was bullish. The hourly was also bullish. We had these highs here that we smashed. We had these highs here that we smashed. So overall, it was just high highs, and we wanted to look for longs during the day. So then I started looking at, so we created this low here, and I wanted to see a drawdown on liquidity on this low, and we can see we got one just here. This is on the hourly time frame. Yeah, we got one just here, and I'll switch to my other chart now, and yeah, you guys will be able to see the trade now. So we got this hourly reaction zone, this liquidity sweep just here. After that, I did want to look for longs. So this is a classic strategy of setting the bias and then looking for drawdown on liquidity on the 1 hour. We got the drawdown, we had the liquidity sweep, and then we wanted to look for longs. So we need to zoom in even more for this. Even the 5 minutes doesn't do it justice. So on the 1 minute, we saw the sweep of liquidity, strong push up, really strong push up. There was a lot of buy pressure, and then we had this nice fair value gap just here that we filled, and then once again buy pressure out of it. And once we broke structure, which was here, I then entered just here. My stop loss under the fair value gap, which was 7 pips, I entered with, let me just put it on screen. I entered with 1.43 lots, and I was risking $100. However, my stop loss did not get hit. TP was all the way at this liquidity zone just here. I did not have multiple TPs for this trade. I only had one TP, but I ended up making around $550 on this trade, which was amazing. It literally cuts all the losses that I've had and brings me up into a net positive gain, which is great. But I guess this is where I could have improved. Let's label this as TP. There we go. And yeah, so this is where I could improve. So I entered just here, 1.43 lots. The risk management was amazing, 7 pips. The risk to reward was amazing. First of all, 1 to 5.4. We can call it 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is more than enough. However, we could have set multiple TPs. So we could have had TP1 here, TP2 there, TP3 here, and then TP4. I believe. Let's go on the 1 hourly. Yeah, there was more draws on liquidity. So, for example, there was TP4 here. If you wanted a TP5, you could have TP5'd. TP5 would have been there, and then the final TP would have been TP6, which is just here. But yeah, that is one thing I could have improved on, the TPs, because we did miss out on a mega move. So this current move here was 38 pips. However, if we went all the way up to TP, we'll play this fair and call it TP5. It would have been an 84 pip move, which is insane. However, if we went up to the final TP, it would have been 120 pips. And 120 pips is nuts. On a 10k account, this would have been like nearly a $2,000 trade, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't done the calculations for it, but we can do the calculations if we just do this. Profit calculator. Yeah, this is lot size. 5103. And then the final close price would have been 6299. yeah, close to $2,000, which is nearly 20% on a $10,000 account. So it could have been a huge day. However, I'm still very, very happy and satisfied with the TP that we took. But yeah, that's one thing where I could have definitely improved on the TP. But yeah, other than that, I can't really say anything else about this trade. Execution was good. Risk to reward was amazing. Risk management was amazing. The only thing that wasn't on point as well as the other parts was the take profit. So we do need to improve on that. But other than that, I'm really satisfied. And then moving on, Wednesday I won't be trading. And let's just refresh this real quick. Oops. And then Thursday I will be trading. Yeah, Thursday I'll be trading. So yeah, if I do take a trade Thursday, if anything comes up, I will update you guys with a trade recap video. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys' trading goes well.